Hey guys, Jared Garcia, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. I'm out here at 7000 DELLWOOD Road, Northeast Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87110. And we're going to be doing an open house today. And let me know if you guys have any questions about this house. This house is listed at $309,900, and the approximate square feet is 1,889 square feet. It's been on the market for about 5 days now, and just wanted to give you guys a quick look. Hope you guys are all doing well and you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Come check out our website at iSpeakRealty.com. We'd love to help you out, whether you're buying or selling. Now, this house has a nice brick veneer on it. As you can tell, nice little entry here. Now, as you walk into the property, off to your right immediately is your kitchen. Now, this house was built in 1963. The seller would love to sell it as is. It's very clean, very well maintained, has some original colors, which the turquoise, the browns. You'll check out the stove, guys. The stove is even a retro type of stove. Check out the burners. It's pretty legit, guys. As you know, some of you, I just purchased a house that was built in 1945 downtown in Old Town. We love it. It has a lot of character, just like this particular property. Check out the intercom system. Don't tell me you guys aren't going to try to blast some music on that. Pretty awesome little entry as you come in. A lot of things to look at. Original hardwood floors. Take a look at those. Really good condition. Now, off the kitchen, you have like a little dining area is where I'm sitting at. Living area. Now we're going to kind of go in a circle, because you can actually go in a full circle right around the kitchen. So we're going to go back to the front, show you this little coat closet. There's the front door, little coat closet, kitchen to the right. Now, coming down the hallway, you're coming into the bedrooms. Now, this has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Check this out, guys. It has 2 closets here. Intercom system. These hardwood floors are great, guys. Let me know what you think. You got another bathroom right here. Let me get that light on. I missed the light. It's all right. Got a stand-in tub there. Like I said, nice, cool retro colors, really in right now. You can update some of this stuff if you wanted. The countertops, there are some things that need to be updated, but if you're looking for something that has a nice little retro feel to it, this might be it. It's priced at $309,900, 1,889 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 1963. So it has that 1960s charm to it. Full bathroom, single sink, services these other 2 bedrooms right here. Let's say this is bedroom 2. We went into the master. It looks like that's the master because it has the bathroom, but nice walk-in closets as well. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Like I said, intercom system, nice 1960 style charm to it. This is bedroom 3. Let me know what you guys think of this. Great little location. Elementary school Comanche, middle school Cleveland, and high school is listed as Sandia. Now that is the bedrooms, guys. There's more to this house. Like I said, it's 1,889 square feet. You might wonder where the extra square footage is. Well, there's kind of like a man cave back here. To be honest, this could be a lot of different things. This is really cool. It could be a kind of like I guess a man cave, if you want to call it that, but it has a bar in the back, intercom system. Like I said, look at the 1960s style wood. Now, this is really good wood around. Let me show you. Look at the gloss on that. really good condition, you know, and that looks like solid wood planks. I mean, that to me doesn't look like the cheap, you know, siding. You can do what you want with it. If you don't like it, you can actually paint it. We do see a lot of that, but man, why it's tough to change something so epic, you know what I mean? Check this out. So you could have, you know, a game room, exercise room, sewing room, man cave, whatever you want to call it. A bunch of different things that you can do here. Nice laundry room. A couple little things that might need to be repaired. A little bit of drywall here and there is what I'm noticing. You know, some paint around the property as well wouldn't hurt. Nice large garage. You got your water heater all right here. All ready for you guys to rock and roll. If you guys want to take a personal look at this, we're more than happy to help you out. That's what we do. And let's take a quick look at the backyard. It's on a quarter acre, a little more than a quarter acre, 0.27 acres is what it is. So you have backyard access right here as well. RV, backyard access, nice big backyard. Take a look at that. All our buyers, we want to make sure we take care of you, make sure we get you the right financing that fits your needs, and also get your inspections on a property like this so you know what you're getting into. You know, you want to check the electric, the heating, the cooling, the plumbing. You want to check the sewer. You want to check a little bit of everything, right? Just to see what you're getting into, see if, you know, if the seller might be able to help you with certain things in terms of cost. He does want to sell it as is, but, you know, maybe it's negotiable. I don't know. We take that offer to the seller, right? So that's what we do for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. We're stopping right here in this epic kitchen. I love it. Let me know what you guys think, guys. Have a great day. If you guys are looking to buy or sell, iSpeak Realty is always here to help out. Have a great day, guys. Bye.